So one of the biggest loads on the liver is if the colon's not working well. Now, the colon has a mind of its own. Have you noticed if you've got diarrhea and you tell it to stop, it won't? And if you've got constipation and you tell it to go, it won't. The colon needs gentle stimulation. So let me just show you here what stimulates the colon. Not irritation, but stimulation. And I'll spend a few minutes on this because this is a very common problem. So gentle stimulation, what stimulates the colon is exercise. And one of the exercises that is the most stimulating and massaging to the colon is Pilates type exercises. So exercise stimulates the colon, water stimulates the colon. And we should be having approximately 2 litres a day. That's over the day, sip, sip, sip. And with that 2 litres, a crystal of Celtic salt or Himalayan salt every glass. And as I showed you in an earlier meeting, that just allows each cell to access that water. What also stimulates the colon, so we're looking at what stimulates colon. What stimulates the colon is laughter. No wonder the proverb says, a merry heart doeth good like a medicine, but a broken spirit dries up the bones. Do you know children laugh 125 times a day? And if they don't, it's probably because they're on too much wheat and too much gluten and not drinking enough water and getting to bed too late. We should laugh more. Laughter relaxes the colon. What also stimulates the colon is fibre. And I'm not talking about wheat germ or wheat bran or rice bran. I don't advise eating any of those. The highest fibre food is your vegetables. We should be eating a lot of vegetables. And very important with the colon is to listen. We should promptly answer nature's immediate call. Got that? So many people don't go when the body says to go, and then the body gets into a habit. Every cell in our body has memory, and every cell in our body has habit, just as much as our brain has memory and our brain has habit. So very important to adhere to all of those so that the colon works regularly. That's one of the best things you can do for your liver, because when the colon's not working well, waste is coming off, toxic waste as it sits in the body, and then the liver, everything goes to the liver. Now the herbs that stimulate healing in the liver, so these are your liver herbs. And remember, sweet to the mouth, bitter to the liver. Bitter to the mouth, sweet to the liver. All your bitter herbs, so that's dandelion. And that can be taken fresh or as a dried herb, St. Mary's thistle. And you can also get another herb which is very bitter, it's called gentian. And the sweet bitter is ginger. And globe artichoke is another well-known liver herb. The liver's a recoverable organ, so once you get the colon moving well, which it should, with exercise and fibre, relaxing, and give it the herbs, the liver will recover. I'll leave that for a few minutes. So that's how you can strengthen your liver.